I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rayman Legends multiplayer. This fantastic game offers a vibrant local co-op experience for up to 4 players. You and your friends can jump into the action at any time, even in the middle of a level. There are many fun characters to choose from, including Rayman, Glowbox, and the adorable Teensies. You'll find a great mix of working together and friendly competition throughout your adventure. Setting up local co-op is super easy. First, ensure you have up to 4 controllers connected to your console or PC. Once the game is running, simply choose any level from the world map to begin. Other players can then press a button on their controller to instantly join the game. Each person will control their own unique character, making for a lively and engaging experience. Rayman Legends offers several exciting ways to play with others. The entire main story campaign is designed for cooperative play, allowing you to progress through every level together. For a competitive twist, try the challenge mode, featuring daily and weekly levels where you can compete for high scores. Don't forget Kung Foot, a hilarious soccer-style minigame perfect for 2 to 4 players, adding even more fun to your multiplayer sessions. Teamwork is key to success in Rayman Legends. Cooperate to gather all the lums and rescue every hidden Teensie. Utilize each character's unique abilities to navigate tricky obstacles and reach new areas. If a teammate takes a hit, they'll turn into a bubble. Simply touch them to revive them instantly. Effective communication with your fellow players will help you conquer even the most challenging levels and achieve victory together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.